In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise a bug in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just need a refresher, we'll walk through the process step by step. Our goal is to ensure you can efficiently report issues so they can be addressed by your team swiftly. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to your Jira dashboard. For this, you'll navigate to your preferred browser and log into your Jira account. Once logged in, you'll want to locate and click on your specific project or space where the bug pertains. You should see a list of projects on your dashboard. Select the one where you need to raise a bug. This step brings you to your project's main board. With your project board open, go ahead and click on the backlog section. The backlog is where all tasks, including bugs, are initially stored before being put into active development. Here, you'll need to click on the Create Sprint button. Sprints in Jira help organize tasks into manageable time periods, so you'll want to ensure a sprint is ready or create a new one for your bug. Next, click on Create. This button allows you to input new tasks, including the bug you want to report. As the menu opens, select Bug from the menu. This selection informs your team that this particular task is a bug needing resolution. Now, it's time to describe the problem. Type in a clear and concise summary of the issue you're reporting, detailing what happens, expected outcomes, and steps to reproduce, if possible, will significantly aid your developers in triaging and fixing the bug. After summarizing the bug, choose the date you discovered the issue or when you'd like it addressed. From here, you can choose whom to assign the task to. Assign it to a developer who specializes in the area affected or consult with your lead if you're uncertain who can tackle it best. With all the details inputted, click Create again to officially log the bug into your backlog. Once your bug is in the backlog, click Start Sprint. This is where you'll provide a sprint name and duration, dictating how long this sprint will last, typically 1 to 2 weeks. Choose the start date and set a sprint goal, which should include resolving the bug among other tasks. When ready, click Start to kick off the sprint officially. Finally, click on the board to view your newly raised bug within the current sprint. The board visually represents your team's work and ensures everyone is on the same page regarding task priorities and progress. And that's it. You've successfully raised a bug in Jira. By following these steps, you ensure that the issue is documented, assigned, and on track to be resolved. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your bug reporting process in Jira.